All right, so this video is a recap of the race of lemons of the High Plains Drifter in September 2023. It's a race of lemons. That's the car we raced, a 2005 Ford Crown Victoria. We've been racing that car since 2016. The car is pretty well sorted. The last race, we finished 4th in class and 12th overall. The race that's coming up is going to be the BFEGP. That's again at High Plains Raceway, and here coming up here in June. This race is going to be a true 24-hour race, much like the High Plains Drifter in September, which is another true 24-hour race. It's not the split race of lemons. Those races are challenging. This race coming up, I'm anticipating that we're going to be in the top 5 in class, and hopefully within the top 15. See how competitive the field is and what kind of cars are going to be out there at this race. It could be hotter than the September race. We'll have to see how that does. The reason we didn't finish higher, and why I'm saying that we won't, I'm anticipating the top 5, is we're going to have to change brakes on all 4 corners in this race. The last race we did a front brake change, and then we had some problems with some lug nuts on some new rims that we're running. So that caused some problems, and that didn't allow us to do it. But I'm anticipating that because of the 4-corner brake change, a minimum of 1, hopefully we don't have to do 2, is going to cost us some time. And here's a reason why we need to do that. All right, so at the end of the last race, we ended up with a little brake fluid. You can actually see a little brake fluid there. It came out of the caliper, and we thought we had something rub on the caliper and create a problem. Here's the pad that I just took out. You can see there's a little hole in it right there. On this side over here, let's see how good it shows up. You can actually see that the piston, the caliper, let's see. So the caliper, the piston, actually wore through the pad and got it into, that's what we were using as a brake, was actually the piston of the caliper. Crazy stuff. Looks like we'll have to get a new piston for the caliper, but these Willwoods, fully rebuildable. We'll get it rebuilt and put it back on the track. Yeah, so here it is off, and you can just see how much we actually melted that. Man, it just destroyed it. So anyways, another picture of what it is. So we'll have to get some parts on. So we got the parts on order. The rear brakes are back together, so that's all been taken care of, but that's the reason why we'll end up having to do a full brake change. Last race we only did the front brakes, not the rear, and the front's made it, so I think we're thinking we can get away with just 1 brake change. Here's the car at night. Lights, we're going to have to add a few more side lights on it to help out with the apex, so those are some modifications that are still going to be made to the car. We're not going to do too much more to the car this race. We're going to put in some front coilovers, and that'll help out on the front suspension, but otherwise we're expecting the car to run flawlessly again, except for with that front brake change, or all 4 brake change, so everybody will be required to do that. So cool, that's where we're at.